Samsung Xpress M2830dw review. I have seen many people ruin their business because of one single printer. Nobody noticed that one printer can do wonders and can because of devastation. The reason is simple, as a printer in an office handles a workforce. From documentation to the presentation, we need a printer to make it look great. If our decision to buy a printer is so casual, then this is not the right way, as it is a matter of business profit and loss. It is highly recommended to spend your valuable time searching for a printer. In this way, you will be able to understand what kind of printer you want. For home usage, printers are different, whereas, for an office or for a business, printers need a lot of strength to handle a great workforce. This Samsung M2830dw Xpress Monochrome laser printer review will have a detailed analysis of the description and its qualities to make a better understanding of its users. This Samsung Xpress printer is a monochrome printer, which means you can only print black and white texts on the page. The printing technology of this printer is a laser, which shows its advancement. There are other vital qualities in this printer which cannot be neglected. It is an excellent speed for a printer to handle a workforce. There is a need to turn the paper while printing, as there is an availability of automatic duplexing, and it can print two-sided in a single time. As for the result by this Samsung Xpress printer is as sharp as a glossy picture. The printer gives a solid outcome via wireless printing. The resolution is to 4800 x 600 dpi, which is why the prints are excellent.